In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted or lost items in Smartsheet. If you've accidentally removed a sheet, lost important rows, or need to recover something from a workspace, don't worry. Smartsheet offers a few places where you can check before assuming the data is gone for good. The key is to move carefully, verify what you're restoring, and confirm everything looks right once the recovery is complete. Start by opening Smartsheet and navigating to your home area or the relevant workspace. This is usually the fastest place to begin because it helps you narrow down where the missing item originally lived. If you know whether the missing content was part of a specific project, folder, or workspace, go there first to save time and avoid restoring the wrong thing. Next, look for deleted items, available backups, or the activity history. Depending on what was removed and your account permissions, you may find evidence of when the item was deleted, moved, or changed. Activity history can be especially helpful if you're not completely sure what happened, because it gives you context and can confirm whether the issue is deletion, editing, or relocation. Once you've found the area that shows recoverable content, identify the exact sheet, row, or workspace you want to bring back. Take a moment here to double check names, timestamps, and surrounding details. This is important because similarly named items can easily be confused, especially in larger workspaces with multiple versions of the same file or sheet. After that, open the available restore or recovery option. In some cases, this may appear directly in Smartsheet, while in other situations, the recovery choices may be limited depending on the type of item and how long ago it was removed. If a restore option is available, review it carefully before moving forward. Before confirming, make sure you've selected the correct item. This quick verification step can prevent extra cleanup later and helps ensure you recover the intended version rather than an outdated or unrelated one. Then restore the item. If you don't see a recovery option, or if the content is no longer available to restore directly, the next step is to contact Smartsheet support for help. They may be able to guide you through additional recovery possibilities depending on your plan and the type of data involved. Finally, check the restored item thoroughly to make sure the data is correct. Open the sheet or workspace, review the rows and columns, and confirm that nothing important is missing or out of place. Taking this final moment to verify everything can save you from future confusion and help you get back to work with confidence.